Welcome to the Civil Engineering Statics Bridge Analyzer for term project for Civil Engineering 170 computational methods. This bridge analyzer gives the forces in each member of the truss as well as a drawing of a basic truss, and gives reaction forces, and you just put in the member lengths and the applied forces. We have a little help sheet and gives some instructions, but I'll go over some of the basic functions. We have a command button for adding member lengths, so the beams on the bottom, A, B, B, C, C, D, etc. So you click it, and then you add bridge height, which I will say is 5, and then I'll add the members. And then you change the units. And then you can tell the bridge is drawn accordingly on the graph. Then you go into the applied forces, and you put in the forces at each point on the bottom. Some basic numbers. And as you can see, the graph has drawn some yellow arrows signifying the applied forces with different lengths representing differing magnitudes. And up here, the bridge image is labeled with the forces in each member. And then you can go to this table on the left for determining whether they're in tension or compression. And then these units change accordingly as you go into the user form. And then if you're getting tired of scrolling around, you can click this little fit zoom button and it will fit it to your screen.